Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Volkswagen Taigo? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard has a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment, with soft touch materials and sleek, touch-sensitive controls. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings, using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD in a vehicle displays information such as navigation, media, or vehicle settings, offering clear visuals through a digital screen. The gear system transfers engine power to the wheels, ensuring smooth acceleration and control. Climate control automatically maintains the cabin temperature by adjusting heating, cooling, and airflow for comfort. The steering wheel controls direction and may include a functional button. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, central warning light, fastening the safety belt. Electronic parking brake, brake system malfunction. Take over steering and be ready to brake. High level of fatigue detected. Coolant system has malfunction. Steering malfunctio. Rear traffic alert. 12-volt power supply has malfunction. Collision warning. Take over the steering immediately. Emergency assist is taking control. Transmission overheating. Engine oil level too low. Engine oil pressure too low. High level of fatigue detected. Speed limiter not available. Airbag. Front passenger's front airbag switched off. Front passenger's front airbag enabled. Emergency call service faulty. Electronic stability control malfunction. Anti-slip regulation switched off. Anti-lock braking system. Fuel tank almost empty. No or restricted sensor visibility. Exterior lighting malfunction. Rain, light sensor malfunction. Windshield wiper malfunction. Washer fluid level too low. Tire pressure low. No or restricted sensor range. Cruise control system malfunction. Blind spot monitor active. Rear traffic alert brakes. Engine management malfunction. Exhaust system malfunction. Particulate filter clogged with soot. Dynamic chassis control. Vehicle key not in the vehicle. Turn signal. Outside temperature is below. Start-stop system active. Start-stop system not available. Service due. High beam control. Distance warning. Eco driving mode. Comfort driving mode. Sport driving mode. Normal driving mode. Individual driving mode. Speed regulation due to a roundabout. Rear seat information muted. Mobile phone connected via Bluetooth. Speed regulation due to a junction. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.